Good morning, student. Today, myself Sanila Munshi is going to explain you lesson number 3 Prahelika of standard 8. The name of the chapter is Prahelika. Prahelika, that means riddle or puzzles. Related to this chapter, some of the meanings I have written on the board. You can see over here. See, Chakshuha, that means eye. Kakah, crow. Bilam, hole. Pannagah means snake. Kshiyate, that means is being destroyed. Vardhate, increasing. Chaturmukhah, having four-faced. Ajastram, constant. Vrushaha means ox. Tisthati is standing. Mudrika means ring. Peyam can be drunk. Shutaha means sun. Proktam, that means said. Apadaha, without legs. Takram, buttermilk. Shakraha means Indra. And the last one is Yati, that means goes or is going. So, here I am going to start the chapter. Some riddles are there. So, first of all I will ask and then I will give you answer of that. First one. Eka chakshurna kakoyam bilmichan pannagah kshiyate vardhate cheva na samudra na chandrama. Meaning of this riddle is Eka chakshurna, that means this is only one eye. Kakoyam, but it is not a crow. Bilmichanga, in spite of wishing to go into a hole. Pannagah, this is not a snake. Kshiyate, vardhate, cheva, na samudra, na chandrama. This is wanes and waxes, but it is neither a sea nor a moon. So, what is it? The answer is needle. We can see the needle. Needle has only one eye and always thread is wished to go inside the hole of needle and needle is moving forward and backward. So, answer is a needle. Our second riddle is Chaturmukho na cha Brahma. Vrusharudha na Sankarah. Nirjivi cha Nirahari. Ajastram Dhanya Bhakshanam. Translation of this riddle is Chaturmukho na cha Brahma. He has four faces but not is Brahma. Vrusharudha na Sankarah. He sits on a bull but it is not Sankar. Apado Nirjivi cha Nirhari. Ajastram Dhanya Bhakshanam. He is not living and eats nothing, but still regular consume a grain. The answer is flour mill. How the answer will come flour mill? See, first one it is written, he has four faces. We are seeing the this flour mill, it is also having four-faced. He sits on a bull, but not a Shankara. Sits on a bull means whenever we are going in flour mill, वहाँ ऐसे बड़ा सा पत्थर होता है. It is called the bull over here. Is non-living and eats nothing. That we know that flour mill it is not eating anything, but still regular consume grain. वहाँ पे grain का use होता ही रहता है. That also we know. Third one. अपदो दुर्गामी न साक्षरो न च पंडितः अमुख स्फुट वक्ता चयो जानाति स पंडितः. He is without feet, but one who goes long distance. Is literate, but is not a scholar. He has no mouth, but still speaking frankly. Whoever knows this is a scholar. The answer is a written letter. How written letter came? See, अपदो दुर्गामी च साक्षरो न च पंडितः. He is without feet, but one who goes long distance. Written letter, when we are posting it, it is going a long distance. Literate but is not a scholar. पढ़ा हुआ है but is not a scholar. Lots of words are written in the written letter, but it is not a scholar. अमुखस फुटवक्ता चयो जानाति स पंडितः. He has no mouth. We know that a written letter has no mouth, but still speaking frankly. But by his word, it's telling many things. So still speak frankly. Whoever knows this is a scholar. We knows it as a scholar because without saying anything, it says everything. So like this, it is called a written letter. Now fourth one, चलती वायु वेगन पदमेकम न गच्छति. Again, पर्वताग्रे रथो याति भूमो तिष्ठति सारथिः then चलति वायु वेगेन पदमेकम न गच्छति. Translation of it: the chariot moves on the peak of a mountain and the charioteer stays on the ground. It moves with the speed of wind, but does not go forward even one step. The answer of this riddle is a potter's wheel. Now understand this, how potter wheels came. Parvatrage ratho yati, bhumo tisthati sharathih, means a charioteer moves on the peak of a mountain. But when potter wheel is moving, जब potter wheel चलता है तो जो pot it's coming upside, so it is a charioteer moves on the peak and a charioteers stay on the ground. The potter always sitting on the down and its pots coming upside. चलती वायु वेगेन पदमेकम न गच्छति. It moves with the speed of wind. Potter's wheel, we know that it's moving like this. Does not go forward even one step. It's not stop, it's not coming backside. So this is the potter wheel. Now fifth one, सुवर्णस्य 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 च जानकी प्रेषिता तव रामेण सुवर्णस्य च मुद्रिका. It is the incident when Sita was in the Lanka and Hanuman was going there. On that time, जब हनुमान सीता जब हनुमान को पहचानती नहीं थी और वो पहचान जाए इसलिए राम हैज़ गिवन अ रिंग टू हनुमान कि ये आप सीता जी को बताओगे तो वो आपको पहचान जाएगी. वो इंसिडेंट बताने के लिए ये हमें रिडल दिया गया है. सी सुवर्णस्य 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 च जानकी प्रेषिता तव रामेण सुवर्णस्य च मुद्रिका. हनुमान सेज टू सीता, O you of the noble family, Janaka's daughter Sita, Lord Rama of the greatest family has sent this ring made of gold with lustrous color for you. So this is the fifth one, and the sixth riddle is Bhojanante Chaki Peyam Jayantah Kashyavai Shutah Katham Vishnupadam Proktam Takram Shakrasya Durlabham. Here three questions are given in this riddle. Which are they? Bhojanante Chakim Peyam. What should be drunk at the end of the meal? So answer is buttermilk. Kashyave Shutah. Whose son is Jayanta? So answer is Indra's. And Katham Vishnupadam Proktam Takra Shakrashyam Durlabham. How is Vishnu's name said to be? It is difficult to say. So I hope all of you understand this chapter properly. Now I am going to explain you our next chapter. The next chapter, name of the chapter is Preranadip Chanakya. That means Chanakya, the lamp of inspiration. मतलब चाणक्य की प्रेरणा से लोग अपने आप को कैसे चेंज कर देते थे, वो बात, वो एक इंसिडेंट ये चैप्टर में बताया गया है. inspiration event of Chanakya's life. One incident of Chanakya's life is given over here. Related to this chapter, some of the meanings are written on the board. Now see, Shitkalah, that means the time of chill winter. Janebhyah, to the people and for the people. Idanim, that means now. Nayami, that means am taking. Prakostham, that means room. Adaha, that means under, and Adyaha, that means today. Again, Adaha, that means under, and Adya, that means today. Gnatavyam, that means should know, and Kurma, that means are doing. Now I am going to explain you this chapter. One time it was the winter time, and Chandragupta is calling to this Chanakya and telling him to distribute the blanket to the villagers. This is the story. Now I am going to explain. Chandragupta. In the starting, it is conversation between King Chandragupta and Chanakya. Now Chandragupta is telling to the Chanakya, Chandragupta, Arya Chanakya, Sitakalah asti, Janeshuha Kambalan Vitratu. That means Chandragupta is telling Arya Chanakya, it is winter season, distribute the blankets to the people. Now Chanakya, Maharaj, Idanim aham kambalan mama gruham nayami prabhate vitarishyami. Right now I am taking this blanket to my home. In the morning I will distribute them. Chandragupta, tatha karotu bhavan, as you wish you can do that. Now what happened that day gone, and on same night 3 thieves are coming to the Chanakya's home. Now these three thieves are talking with each other like this. Trayaha chora pravishanti. 3 thieves enter in the Chanakya's house. Now Pratham, that means first thief. Chandraguptasya mantri Chanakya etata tasya gruham. They are entering in a house and they are talking with each other. This is the house of Chanakya. Chanakya, who is the minister of Chandragupta. Now second, Dvitiya. Atra Tailadipah Samipe Pitham Pustakani. Here only is an oil lamp, a seat is there nearby, and books are only there. These 3 things are there in the room, nothing is there. Trutiya, third one. Dhanam Kutra, where is the wealth? Prathamaha, Atra tu nasti, that means wealth is not here. Dvitiya prakostham pravishamah, so we have to go in the other room. Ye room mein to kuch bhi, nothing is here, so we have to go in other room. Dvitiya, now they are entering in the other room. Dvitiya, Ashcharyam, surprised, something is there, so they are getting surprised. Shetyam adhikam asti, it is too much cold. Trutiyah, Kambalaha samipe eva shanti, third one is speaking. Blankets are lying nearby. Prathama, tathapi eshah mahashaya, then also these men. Now they are talking. Dvitiya, swayam kambalasya upyagam na karoti. So what they are saying, that blankets are lying nearby the Chanakya, then also he is sleeping on the floor and he is not using a single blanket. So that is why they got the surprised. Trutiya, punasya adha shayanam karoti, and also sleep down on the floor. Asharyam, surprise. Now Prathama, first one. Tarhi Chanakyam pucham, gnatavyam tasya rahasyam. So we ask Chanakya, they are coming for the thieving. Then also now seeing this situation, they are asking to the Chanakya. Let us know his secret. We have to know the secret of it, that why he is sleeping on the floor. Now Dvitiya, second one. Etata ashmakam sahasam. It is one type of risk. Why risk? Because they are going for the thieving. Then also they are asking to the owner of the house that why he is sleeping on the floor. Now Prathama, first one is asking, Arya, vayam choraha sma, we are thieves. Chorakaryai agataha, we come for the job of thieving. Mahoday, Ascharyam asti, it is a surprise. Now Dvitiya, second one, Shetyam asti, it is a winter season. Kambalah samipe na santi, blankets are near of you. Tathapi bhavan kimartham upyogam na karoti, then why don't you use these blankets? Chanakya, ete kambalah mama krute na, these blankets are not for me. Daridra jananam krute shanti, these blankets are for the poor people. Yata vastu asmakam nasti, tasya upyagah papam, the things which is not our use of that things, it is a sin. Sarve chora, now whole three thieves are telling, are re, oh no. Vayam tu pratidinam papam kurmah, we commit a sin every day, हम तो ऐसा पाप हर रोज करते हैं. चोर कार्यण एव उदर पूर्तिम कुर्मः, वी फील अवर स्टमक विद द जॉब ऑफ थिविंग, इसी काम से हम अपना पेट भरते हैं. वयम अद्य आरंभ पापम न करिष्यामः जयतु आर्यः, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टुडे वी विल नॉट डू सिन, विक्ट्री टू आर्य. यहाँ पे भी आर्य की एक बात से चोर अपना चोरी करने का काम छोड़ देते हैं. इस तरह से विक्ट्री टू आर्य, आर्य की जीत होती है. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस चैप्टर ऑल्सो, सो यू हैव टू डू मोर एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस फॉर दिस चैप्टर. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.